is Charlene Carroll, and I'm the founder of Dexterity Fitness, a wellness community in Toronto that for over a decade has offered personal training, industry consulting, and corporate wellness presentations. I've had the honor of speaking at a number of events, including the CanFit Pro World Fitness Expo. I offer a range of presentations, both online and in person, that help students, groups, and corporate businesses find a realistic balance between work and self-care to feel their best.
So I think public speaking is one of the things that we're all nervous about. I know I love public speaking, but I still get nervous every time I get up on stage and speak.
And so I think a lot of people, they're just trying to get over the nervous part about public speaking, to not even get to focus then on the little details of, your body language, your posture, how well you articulate and speak.
Opening this up to a wide range of students, whether that's early years in high school moving forward, it's going to help them with presentations in school, with their grades, and it's going to help them with job interviews moving forward and starting out their young professional lives as well.
As a student, I think the seminar really helps me be prepared for job interviews because it's not something we have a lot of experience doing, but it's something that's really, really important.
Businesses would definitely benefit from having their employees take this seminar with Charlene, because you want to sell your brand and your business all the time. And so if you can have your employees be advocates for your brand and speak well in public, especially in public, it really benefits your business and at the bottom line at the end of the day.
I think this seminar is very applicable to any situation, and so I think that's the most wonderful thing about the seminar. All the information shared is lifelong skills that can be continuously developed.
A lot of the participants all weekend have been saying, I'm nervous about the speech. I don't know what to say, the elevator pitch. And I go, well, you know what? You're going to learn a lot from Charlene on Saturday night. She's going to teach you a lot about posture, poise, personality, presence, being on stage.
Charlene is an incredible speaker. She's an entertainer as a speaker, which is a very rare quality to have. Not only is she an entertainer in how she speaks and conveys her message, but the messages that she leaves with the audience are incredible.
Her energy is really contagious, and because she's so passionate about the topic, I think that really protrudes in her presentation.
The balance of the humor and again the entertainment, but also how you leave feeling like there's actually tangible things that you can implement. One of my favorite things is, and I learned it from Charlene, was the tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips, and I use that every time that I go to public speak.
I would say Charlene really makes or breaks the seminar. She is an amazing presenter and really keeps you engaged and does a lot of hands-on activity, which really kind of keeps you involved.
After participants take this seminar, they feel empowered. They feel ready to take on any situation in regards to public speaking, in regards to interview skills, and overall they're coming out of the experience with more confidence.
Charlene was great. She was super enthusiastic, funny, happy to be there, and you were compelled to listen to her.
She connects with the audience, very, very easy to talk to, and somebody that you can rely on and ask for advice.